like all this is vegetarian.
Hey guys, Noah here. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to do a little vegetarian fast food excursion. I had this idea a few weeks ago and I don't honestly know if anybody's ever filmed anything like this before, but basically just being a vegetarian for so long, people always ask me, well, what do you eat? What do you get? And like they'll see me go to like In-N-Out or Taco Bell or like even Red Lobster or something, and they'll be like, well, what did you order? A salad? A lot of people ask me like what I can eat at these places, and they're so confused that a vegetarian can go and enjoy these places. So I want to take you guys along with me today, and I'm going to be going to El Pollo Loco. It's literally called the Crazy Chicken, and we're going to get some vegetarian options. So I'm going to go pick it up and then I'm going to take it back home and eat it and show you guys everything that I got. So without further ado, let's get driving. Guys, so I picked up the food. Look how much food I got. Got 2 bags of food. Just wanted to really show you guys all the different options you can get. I will be eating this like tonight and then some tomorrow as well to have leftovers. There were still even so many other options besides what I ended up getting, so I'll share with you guys that as well. And let's get home so we can start eating. Hey guys, so I'm here with my food from El Pollo Loco and I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. The first things first, I got a BRC burrito, and this is the bomb. So if you've never gone to El Pollo Loco as a vegetarian, like this is usually all I need and I'm full. I do eat it with like their avocado salsa, which is amazing. I also got tostada salad, and I ordered this. It's called the chicken tostada salad, and I just said no chicken, and she asked if I wanted avocado instead, and I said yeah, that sounds great. So this looks amazing. Got this, I think it's a new item. It's the tapatio fries. It's just got fries with some seasoning. I got their corn and red pepper. I got black beans, rice, mashed potatoes, and mac and cheese. So I got a bunch of sides. She also told me to eat it with this cilantro dressing, so I've never had it before. It smells really good actually. So one thing that I do want to tell you guys is whenever you go out to any fast food restaurant, you can honestly get anything that's on the menu and just say no meat. That's what I've been doing my whole life. So years ago I used to get funny looks, like why would you want that with no meat type of looks, but now I feel like they probably get it so often. So this is so good. I don't get tostadas often because they're usually so filled with meat, but since this had like beans, rice, lettuce, tomato, sour cream, I felt like it had a lot of other things, that it wouldn't just be like beans and rice and lettuce. Oh my god, I'm really digging this. I'm digging this. Alright. Oh, I didn't even eat it with the dressing. I don't even need that. Let me try the tapatio fries. So it looks like they just have like some sort of seasoning on them. I'm assuming it's like tapatio seasoning. These just taste like seasoned fries. Definitely don't taste like tapatio. I actually have this like tomato ketchup from Trader Joe's with truffle. I got it. Sorry, I'm dipping right in there. That might gross some of you guys out. That's bomb. Fries with that, so good. If you haven't seen my video where I'm taste testing a bunch of Trader Joe's stuff, I'll link it down below and up top. But I tasted that and it's amazing. I've been obsessed with it ever since. So now I'm gonna try a bunch of the sides for you guys. This is the corn. It's got red pepper, chopped red pepper in it. Always bomb. It's not like super sweet corn. It's more savory, you know? So good. I got their black beans because the tostada salad has pinto beans. I figured I could dump some in there. Black beans always good. Can't go wrong with rice. Great. I'm not a big mashed potato type of girl. I actually don't really like mashed potatoes. But she kind of gave it to me for free by accident. But it's not bad. It's good. I just don't really like mashed potato. then the mac and cheese, super cheesy. Almost too cheesy if you ask me. But it'll be like a good snack later in the day. But for the best part from El Pollo Loco, well actually this tostada was pretty darn good. But I'm obsessed with the BRC burrito with the avocado salsa on it. Can you believe all this is vegetarian? If you've never had this and you're trying to cut back on meat, you have to get this. I don't know what it is. Like the cheese is so good. I'm sure it's just mozzarella, but it melts into the rice so well. And this, super spicy. So if you don't like spicy foods, you're gonna hate it. But if you like spicy foods, it's such a good kick. And then you get that avocado flavor. I would say for all fast food places, this is one of the best burritos. Like unless you're going to like a real Mexican restaurant, of course their burritos are bomb, but for like fast food, this is it. My God, so good. One of the reasons I like El Pollo Loco as opposed to like all these other places is it's very good the next day. So what I'll do is I'll buy a bunch of sides and then I'll have dinner that night or lunch that day or whatever. But then I also still have like lunch or dinner the next day. Like for example, if you go to Taco Bell or something and you get some sides, like it's not gonna heat up well. It's not gonna be good the next day. It's gonna be kind of gross actually. So that's one of the reasons as a vegetarian, I do love El Pollo Loco. A couple other things that I didn't get that I've gotten in the past that's really good is their cheese quesadilla is basic, but it's really good, especially if you put like the avocado salsa on it or any kind of salsa that you like. That's really good. Another tip is like the other burritos that they have on the menu, they do have different stuff inside, like different kinds of cheeses and different like lettuce and tomato and all that inside. But they do have meat, so you just literally order one of those burritos and say no meat. So like I got the chicken tostada with no chicken. So don't be afraid to try things like that, especially if there's other ingredients that you do like and you know you like and you want to get that burrito, you just don't want the meat. Honestly, just order it. Like people don't really care anymore. They kind of understand. I feel like they get it a lot. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you did so you can see more like this from me. Also, let me know what other fast food restaurants you'd like to see. I'm thinking to do like Taco Bell, Del Taco. Del Taco is like honestly my favorite. There's so many other places. I could even do McDonald's. I could do Jack in the Box. So let me know in the comments section down below which restaurant, fast food restaurant you'd like to see me do next. I can also branch into regular restaurants and stuff like that. So let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do put out new videos every single Thursday and Sunday at 4 p.m. So you definitely want to check that out. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks. I'll insert my Instagram right here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to continue eating because I'm pretty hungry, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.